Hi all, welcome to my channel HappyHome.Positivity. In this video, I am sharing two things. Part 1, I will share some kitchen essentials which I think are absolute necessity in our busy schedule. Part 2, I am sharing some products I have recently purchased for Diwali decor. Now, let's move to the kitchen essentials. These are products which I have been using from 4 to 5 years and they are of great help during morning rush hours to reduce the cooking pressure. I am not sharing any product in detail but will provide a link to the Amazon site as these are on discount during Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. First is this water kettle. Next is this 3-in-1 hand blender cum chopper cum whisker. Next is this induction cooktop. Last product is this mortar and pestle. Now moving to the exciting part of the video, which is the decor shopping. I have not mentioned the price of any of the items but will leave a link below in the description box. First is this brass Buddha statue. This is 6.5 inches in height and is multicolored. The combination of gold, blue, red and green makes this statue look stunning. At this price range, this is simply beautiful. Next are these metal tea light candle holders from Home Center. The cutwork in these are so perfect. They are 8 cm in length and 12 cm in height. They have a slot below where you can place tea light candle. Candles were not provided with these. I am placing a tea light candle what I had. I am sure they will enhance the beauty during this Diwali. Last product is this antique tripod standing floor lamp. The height of the lamp is adjustable. You can increase the height if required. The lamp shade is of jute fabric with khadi material. It comes with a bulb too. Now this is how it looks. They have also provided a switch on the cord. The length of the wire is also pretty good.